Decisions are a part of life. What time to wake up, what time to go to sleep, what to eat, where to go. Just getting through a single day requires us to make dozens of choices. Unfortunately, certain choices are a bit more difficult than others and require a bit more thought. When I'm faced with a difficult decision, the first thing I like to do is gather information about my potential choices, either through research online or from the people involved. It may sound simple, but this step is vital when making plans and coming to an informed decision. The next thing I do is make a list of the pros and cons of either choice. Sometimes when I see everything laid out in black and white, I can weigh what each point means to me and figure out what is in my best interest. Then I go to a private room, shut the door, and simply talk it out. There are times when we can feel torn on a decision, but when we start talking it out, whether in a secluded spot or in the company of a cherished stuffed toy, and simply letting our minds wander over the details, we can usually get a clue which side we are truly leaning towards. After I've done all of that, I kneel down to pray about my decision, asking for guidance and support in not only making the right choice, but seeing it through. I sleep on the matter after that and wake up ready to make my decision the next day. Will every single decision be a home run? Absolutely not, but will I give myself the best chance for making that home run decision? Of course.